Hey guys, for number 11, the how many different ways can the letters of the word statistics be arranged? I wanted to show you an example on a smaller word, because this is one problem-solving technique that you should be able to use by now. So let's see how many different ways we can organize words, for example, of dog, which doesn't have any repeat letters, okay? So one thing we can do is say, well, the D can stay first and we'll just switch the O and the G. That's another quote word. Okay, then the G could be first and we'd have DO, and the G could be first again with an OD. And since they're all different, now the D can be first. We had the D first already, sorry. The O can be first. D's first, G's first, O first. O first, G, D, for example, or DG, and O, D, G. Got a capital D there. Anyway, so there are 6 possibilities here for this. So there are 3 factorial possibilities. And it's no surprise since there are 3 distinct letters, 3 unique letters. But what do we do if we have a word that has 2 letters that are the same? Do, I won't tell you what that is. Hairdo, okay? D-O-O. We could switch the second and third, the O's and the O's, but since they are the same and switching places makes the same word. So that word, we have to just kind of cross that out. That can't be, we said distinct or unique words. How many different ways can we make the letters, arrange the letters? Okay, so we could start with an O first, and then we'd have D-O. We could start with an O first and have D-O again with different O's if we switch the places, but those O's really are the same. So again, we can't really switch those 2 O's in this case like we could before, because they're both O's, you get the same word. D-O and a G coming first, G, goo. And then we could try a goo again, but if we switch these 2 places, it's going to be the same word again. So notice that 3 of these got canceled out and 3 are good. So we still have, we could still do our full 3 factorial, because 3 factorial is 6, but then we got these other 3 that don't count or can't count them. So how do we end up with just 3 choices instead of 6? Because that's not 6 choices, that's 3 choices. So I would have to divide that 6 by a 2 to get 3 choice answer. To get the final answer, I'd have to divide the 6 by 2. Well, that's kind of like taking that 3 factorial, which is the 6, and dividing it by 2 factorial, because 2 factorial is just 2 times 1. Okay? Now notice something important here. If we get the answer, we get 3 because it's 6 over 3. 6 over 2, sorry. 6 divided by 2. Notice that we had 1, 2, 3 letters, 3 factorial again. We had 2 letters repeating, 2 factorial on the bottom, dividing by 2 factorial, because there are 2 O's. Try this on number 11, but remember you have more things to divide by. And make sure you use a parenthesis in the denominator when you're using your calculator and you're doing dividing numbers.